forget to click the subscribe button. Hi friends, I am your host Kavita. Today we are going to learn how to make paneer biryani. Biryani is a very famous popular Indian food which is made from rice and vegetables. Today I am using paneer or cottage cheese in this biryani, but you can also always substitute it with other vegetables, that is potatoes. If you want to use mutton, chicken, remember to marinate it first and use it later as I am cooking paneer. Let me tell you, my Journey of Kitchen channel is famous for vegetarian recipes. So if you want more vegetarian recipes, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get latest updates of my latest videos. So let's see how to make paneer biryani. I am taking 1 cup of basmati rice here. Always remember to soak it 30 to 40 minutes before while you are making biryani or pulao. Now in this 1 cup of rice, I am washing it twice and keeping it aside for 30 to 40 minutes. After washing it, add 1 cup of water and keep aside for 30 to 40 minutes. Now take a big pan in which we are making the biryani. I am taking 1 onions, I have sliced it. Now fry this onions till they turn golden brown. This we will use later before boiling the rice. You can cover it and cook so that it will cook it very quickly. Remember to stir continuously while you are making biryani or frying this onions. Close the lid for 1 minute, let it cook and then open the lid and then stir it again. Take out these onions in a plate. In this biryani recipe, I am using paneer also or cottage cheese also and also other vegetables. And now I am taking 100 grams of paneer and I am adding 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1/3 spoon of red chili powder and around 1 spoon of salt. After adding these spices, only 3 spices remember, give it a mix with a fork. Remember that I don't want the paneer to be broken. So give it a slight mix. Doesn't matter that all the spices will be covered or not. If you don't have paneer, you can always use the other vegetables and you can skip the paneer procedure. Now in the same pan, I am adding this paneer. I have taken 100 grams of paneer, remember. Now fry this paneer till they turn golden brown. Remember, I don't need to marinate. I have not marinated it. Just I have added the spices and I am cooking them. Cover and cook. And remember to continuously stir. You have to cook this paneer till they turn golden brown. Remember to continuously stir. And now my paneer is almost done. All the paneer has been coated with the spices and mixed properly. Take it out in a plate. Now these are the spices: bay leaves, big cardamom, small cardamom, star anise and cinnamon. Now take a same pan, add 4 spoons of oil and now add the spices, garam masala. Give it a stir for only 30 seconds, not more than that. After 30 seconds, add 2 onions. I am taking 2 big onions, remember. I have sliced it and add it in the pan and then Continuously stir also. This might take around 10 minutes. This is needed to take out the raw flavor from the onions. Cover it and cook and open it again. Stir it. And remember to continuously stir. We have to wait till the onions turn golden brown. Now it is the time to add ginger garlic paste. I have taken 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. You can always grate and add ginger and garlic separately. Let this ginger garlic paste cook for around half a minute, and now add the vegetables, carrots, potatoes, cauliflower and peas. You can always use the other vegetables also if you want. If you're using carrots, beans, use it as normal vegetables as I'm using here. Now give a proper mix so that the onions, ginger garlic paste, the spices and the vegetables are mixed properly. Cover it and cook for 10 minutes, and remember to open it after 1 minute and then stir it properly and then cover it and cook it again. Continue this process for 10 minutes. So till the 10 minutes the vegetables will be half cooked. As you know that we are cooking the biryani in this pot only, so the vegetables will be cooked later also. So we need to remember that we are cooking these vegetables now with the spices for till they are half cooked. Now after 10 minutes I am adding 2 tomatoes. I have sliced it. Add it and mix properly. Now you have to cook this for around 5 to 6 minutes. Now it is the time to add the spices. I am adding 1 spoon of salt. Mix properly. Always remember after adding tomatoes you need to add salt so that the tomatoes will cook quicker than normal cooking. Add red chili powder 1 spoon. Dry methi powder here I am using. You can always use normal methi leaves also. And 1 cup of curd. Give it a mix. You have to mix this for around 5 to 6 minutes till the vegetables, onions are mixed properly with each other. Now close the lid and cook this for around 5 minutes. Give it a mix properly. I have not added any water. This is the water that has been released by the tomatoes and the other spices and the salt I have added specially. Now add the basmati rice. I have soaked it for 30 to 40 minutes. Give it a mix properly so that everything, the spices, everything are mixed properly now. Now add the fried paneer. Give it a mix also so that the paneer will also not get segregated in one place. Add 1 cup of water and the fried onions. We have fried it in the later video. Now cover and cook this for around 40 minutes. This is how my paneer biryani looks after 40 minutes. Remember always to serve it hot. And see how beautiful, how delicious it is looking, and it will tasting very nicely also, believe me friends. Try it once. Paneer biryani, you will not find it in any other place. Generally this is eaten in South India with curd or with the bundi raita or with the cucumber raita. I hope you like this video of making of paneer biryani. If you like this video, Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Journey of Kitchen. Thank you. Namaste.